back to sleep. Come on. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Come on.
Why the hell can you go back to sleep with a light on my face?
Share what you love with who you love. Kellogg's Frosted Flakes.
It's tough to run with congestion, so I'm taking charge to declare the need. It relieves even my worst allergy symptoms. Nothing works stronger, faster, or longer than nasal congestion and
Leo.
pressure without drowsiness.
Lito.